my right, introduce yourself.
Yo, Bartone knows those hoes. You know how it goes. That's it.
Yeah.
Rapper to my left, introduce yourself.
Pat Stay, sucker free boss.
Alright, man, so hey, hold it down. It's 1 minute on Bartone.
Yo,
It's 1 minute on Bartone.
yo, you're a sucker free boss? Well, you know I'm ill. This battle took way too long to start. Learn how to fold your bills. And yo, Pat stay, Patrick leave. And don't rep your turf when you clash with me. There's no pride in Nova Scotia. That's why they made Alexander Keys. Your landmass has the most boring atmosphere. Because when the explosion in Halifax appeared, the masses were sad with tears, but a day went by, then they were like, wow, something actually happened here. Yo, you're not relevant. How you helping the scene? Or even thinking you're half as electric as me when you barely brought fire to an Elements league. And you got gangster parties really wrong. Holding fishing rods and singing songs does not count just because you guys got your fitteds on. He doesn't even care if the battle leans in my favor. He's just trying to flee his 5 acres to finally see a skyscraper. You're tall, but have the smallest vision in all ways. So I find it kind of sad you spit with a dull taste that you're in Hollahan shadow and can't fit in the full space. Yo, the reason Pat's not fake, even though his writtens are whack, is you made a bitch of a track called I'm Dying, and today you get to live it, you rap.
Hey, yo, real money, it's on Pat Stay.
Hold it down.
Alright, ready? I know everyone watching this battle has been wanting to say this forever. Bartone knows those hoes is the fucking lamest shit ever. Like, what hoes? I mean, if you got some freaks, let's call a bitch up. If her pussy's as tight as your rhymes, then I'll just get my dick sucked. You're a country boy from Cambridge! Like, what can you even rap about? Drive-bys on paddle boats? Yo, gang banging a rabbit hole? Like, how the fuck did this actually happen? When did Alan Jackson start battle rapping? He thought Tupac died in a NASCAR accident. Yo, you look like a fucking billy goat. Like, seriously. He couldn't pick up girls if he was on a cheerleading team. And this sucker's feeding. Ladies, give him a chance. He fucking needs it. The last person who even touched his penis was his Uncle Cletus. Wait. Yo, wait. But I wouldn't take my chances, because when Jason's naked, he prances, and you'll mistake him for either Marilyn Manson or a praying mantis. Yo, plus you know them country folk, too scared to fuck a hoe. Only time he screws nuts and bolts is when his truck is broke.
Alright, round 2, it's on Bartone.
Hold it down.
Hey yo, the truth is this. I got crews that pursue the chips. You have a canoe to fix and a string that's tied to a stick. Yo, so how can you claim you legit when you're used to holding tuna fish in front of mirrors yelling, who's the bitch? Yo, here we fight foul over things that matter, see? You read Lifestyle Nova Scotia magazine with Pike out hoping you can have a dream. Man, I think you'd rather fly back. And why is that? Because here you can't buy crack off a guy in a kayak. Yo, blasting up sharp off the top. It's weak how you spit. How senile is this? I see you choke against Miracle. You don't keep it lyrical. So leave now, you bitch, because your freestyles are shit. Yo, he isn't genuine. This man's a faggot in the flesh. He goes to Indian reserves and gets intimate with Inuits. He comes out with a big ass bag of cigarettes. Yo, that's why you get cut when you're talking in sessions. Got taught by Jeff, but didn't follow the lessons. Now you'll never face twist, because students always come second.
Alright, round 2, it's on Pat Stay.
Alright, check it. Yo, if you beat me tonight, my rap career, shit, I'll probably have to end it. But the chances of that are lower than your body fat percentage. Wait, but who knows, right? He could be one of them genius guys seeing signs. Shit, I wouldn't be surprised if he could read my mind with those beady eyes. Yo, wait, and I gotta admit, that was a sick verse. I respect the way that you twist words, and I believe you're a real cat. but that's because you have whiskers. Always rocking them black clothes. You just don't even change, huh? This useless piece of shit couldn't sell his soul to Shang Tsung. This guy's worthless. He's so skinny when he burps it hurts him. If bird shit landed on his head, it'd probably murk him. Like, why am I battling a bulimic dude? I'm about to eat his food, and that's not even cool. His last battle, he ate up Tricky Pete and left the scene and puked. See, you're the reason why I hate rap. You should be speeding on a racetrack. He's a skinny guy from the country, a needle in a haystack. Fucking queer's a musketeer or a buccaneer, but you need to shave that crusty beard, untuck your ears, and go hunt some deer, bitch!
Go hunt some deer? I'll out-rhyme this hoe. You're the type of fag that makes trout rhyme with boat. Hey yo, Ontario is good to me, and it won't be nice to you. 1 in 3 Canadian families can't afford to enroll their kids in sports. So putting up cash, son, was kind of you, but shouldn't you be playing hockey or something? Oh yeah, that's what you're trying to do. Yo, you wouldn't be a baller at the line of scrimmage. Guy, just quit it. Your TV's a box with a hole that has 2 beavers fighting in it. Yo, that makes us look bad. It's sad, but it's true. Yankees assume we say crap like a boot because of faggots like you. Yo, and judging by his actions, Pat is hurting, I'm honest. Hallahan picks up your slack. You should be paying him homage since the city knows who really wrote your verses for Chronic. You're not close to a boss with any vision of wealth. You want to slit your arm to catch glimpses of hell because you can't be sucker-free having to live with yourself. I lost once, but it doesn't faze me or aggravate, and I'll never lose again. Especially if my opponent's name is Patty Cakes. So you won't make it bust in raps. I hope you're putting this all together. You'll just be a lumberjack with tons of bass in the shittiest province ever. Now get out of here.
3 minutes on past state.
Hold it down, hold it down.
Hold it down, y'all. This is it here.
Hold it down, I want to hear this.
Sure, this is it here. I don't know why he keeps making fisherman jokes, because I ain't that type of guy. But you will get a hook in the jaw if you bite my lines. I came here by myself, and I ain't scared of no motherfuckers. His whole crew's like a Halloween in the ghetto. Just a bunch of suckers. See, back in Nova Scotia, check it. See, back in Nova Scotia, we got mad respect for Toronto. But your flow sucks nuts like an elephant's nostrils. And I'm assuming since I'm alone, your boys probably want to box. Well, we can take this shit outside like a Johnny on the spot. I can't wait to show the whole world the bitch in you, man, and I'll make it a point too. Like 1/5 of a gram. You ain't a hard knock, you're a loser. Your alarm clock is a rooster, and I'm a pervert. Your baby sister uses my large cock for a soother.
I'm an only child,
And I'm an alcoholic, but your parents must get wasted as fuck. Cause you're living proof that people make their biggest mistakes when they're drunk. And I might be tall and leggy and drink cold 45s, but you're as soft as your grandmother's last words before she died.
Hey yo, what up? We just had a hot battle Bartone past state for $500. Winner's getting a hip hop ain't dead who lives in the North shirt, live the culture. One winner, the winner of the $500 goes to the man to the left, my left, past state.
Pat, stay. Respect to Bartone. I got mad respect. Respect to Toronto. It was a good time. Shout out to everybody. Dark Side, what up?